People think artificial intelligence will replace cybersecurity experts. That is not true. What is coming is more dangerous than job replacement. AI is about to divide cyber professionals into two groups: those who control AI-powered security, and those who will be controlled by it. If you don't understand where cyber jobs are heading, you may become obsolete in the next 24 months. In this video, I will show you how AI is changing cybersecurity careers, which cyber jobs are dying, and the exact skills you must learn now to survive. Chapter 1. How AI is already changing cybersecurity. Most people still think AI is a futuristic tool, but it's already being used in cybersecurity today. Companies now use AI to detect threats faster, monitor networks in real time, and analyze massive amounts of security logs. AI can detect malware that has never been seen before. It can flag suspicious behavior inside networks. It can respond to incidents faster than human teams. But here's what they don't tell you. Hackers also use AI. Attackers now use AI to write phishing emails that are almost impossible to detect. They use AI to crack passwords faster. They use AI voice cloning to run social engineering scams. So AI did not eliminate threats, it upgraded them. That means cybersecurity is no longer about tools. It's now a battle of human intelligence using machine intelligence. Chapter 2. Cybersecurity jobs that will shrink. Let's be honest, not every cyber role is safe. Some jobs will shrink because AI will do them faster, cheaper, and better. Security analysts, level 1, SOC tier 1. These analysts monitor security alerts and escalate threats. But AI tools now detect and classify alerts automatically. Many companies are already reducing level 1 analysts and replacing them with AI-based monitoring, basic penetration testers. If all you do is run tools like Nmap, Burp Suite, and Metasploit without deep logic, AI automation will take that job from you. Automated pen testing platforms are already being used by companies. Compliance-only roles. If your job is only checking policies and paperwork, AI document analysis tools will replace you quickly. These roles won't disappear completely, but they will shrink. Only those who upgrade will survive. Chapter 3. New cybersecurity roles. AI will create. AI is not just killing jobs, it's creating new ones. Here are cyber roles that will grow massively. AI threat analyst. Experts who analyze AI-generated attacks and defend against AI-based malware. AI security engineer. These engineers secure AI models, prevent model manipulation, and protect training data. Prompt security engineer. AI can be hacked with malicious prompts. These engineers secure large language models from prompt injection attacks. Cyber automation specialist. Professionals who use Python and AI tools to automate security workflows. Cloud security plus AI specialist. Security experts who protect cloud systems where AI models run. These are high-income cyber careers. Some companies already pay 6 figures for them. Chapter 4. Cyber skills that will survive AI. No matter how advanced AI becomes, these core security skills will always be needed. 1. Networking fundamentals. TCP, IP, DNS, routing, ports. Cybersecurity is impossible without this foundation. 2. Threat intelligence. Understanding hacker behavior, tactics, and attack flow. 3. Incident response. AI can detect threats, but humans still make response decisions. 4. Cloud security. Companies are moving to AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud security is a gold mine. 5. Scripting automation. If you know Python, you survive. If you can automate with AI, you lead. 6. Critical thinking. AI gives data. Humans give strategy. AI will not replace problem solvers, it will replace button clickers. Chapter 5. AI won't replace you, but someone who knows AI will. People in cyber who refuse to learn AI will struggle. Recruiters already ask, what AI tools have you used in cybersecurity? Companies now want security teams who can automate reports, run AI-based detection, and work smarter. You do not need to be a programmer or data scientist, but you must know how to use AI to assist your work. The future belongs to those who can combine cyber plus AI plus automatio. Chapter 6. What you must learn now. Here is the roadmap to stay relevant in cybersecurity over the next 5 years. Learn networking and Linux. Master cyber fundamentals. Choose a path: ethical hacking, SOC Blue Team, cloud security, threat intelligence. Add Python scripting. Add AI tools for cybersecurity. Learn cloud security, AWS, Azure. Build projects plus portfolio. Practice home lab plus real threats. Keep learning. Cyber changes monthly. If you follow this path, AI will not threaten your career. It will accelerate it. The future of cybersecurity belongs to people who adapt. AI is not your enemy. It's your new weapon. Learn it now before it replaces you. The world is entering a cyber war powered by artificial intelligence. Protect your future. Upgrade your skills. Stay one step ahead. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. It does not promote hacking or illegal activity. The goal is to increase awareness and help people build ethical cybersecurity careers.